A year ago, I was burnt out, constantly tired, working endless hours just to make ends meet. Then I found a way to work less and earn more in just 2 hours a day. Let me tell you how. I used to think working hard meant sacrificing everything, my time, my energy, even moments with my family. But then I found a system that fit into my life, not the other way around. It works while I live my life. With just a few clicks, I set it up. No complicated tech, no overwhelming tasks. Now it runs by itself, and I can finally do what matters most to me. Now I spend time where it matters, with my family, with myself, and the best part, I'm still earning 100% profit while I do it. No stress, no hustle, just living the life I always dreamed of. If you've been burning yourself out, it's time for a change. If I can earn 100% profit in just 2 hours a day, so can you. And trust me, it's worth it. Follow me for more ways to work less, earn more, and finally take back your life.